Knees are one of the most important joints in our body, allowing us to move, run, and jump. However, as we age, or if we're not careful, our knees can become prone to injury and pain. To keep our knees healthy, it's important to maintain a healthy weight, as excess weight can put additional stress on the joints. Strength training exercises, such as squats and lunges, can help to build the muscles that support the knee joint and improve overall knee stability. Stretching and flexibility exercises, such as yoga or tai chi, can also help to improve the range of motion in the knee joint. In addition to exercise, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, such as eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, can also contribute to overall knee health. Here's some information about how to protect and heal knees. Use proper technique when performing exercises. Using proper technique when performing exercises that involve your knees can help prevent injury. This includes using the correct form when squatting, lunging, or kneeling, and making sure to engage the muscles that support your knee joint. Rest and recovery. If you experience knee pain or discomfort, it's important to rest and allow the joint to recover. This may include taking a break from certain activities or exercises that put stress on your knees, or using ice or heat therapy to reduce inflammation. Use of knee brace. In some cases, knee braces can help to support the joint and reduce pain. There are different types of knee braces available, and it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the most appropriate type for your specific condition. Physical therapy. A physical therapist can work with you to develop a rehabilitation program that targets the specific muscles and joints that are causing your knee pain. This can include exercises to improve strength, flexibility, and stability in your knees. It's also important to be mindful of your daily activities and try to avoid actions that may put unnecessary stress on your knee. This can include excessive stair climbing, prolonged periods of standing or sitting, and avoiding uneven surfaces while walking, running, or hiking. Keep in mind that everyone's knee health needs might be different, and it's crucial to get a diagnosis from an expert in order to get the most suitable and efficient treatment. What foods are good for knee problems? There are several foods that can be beneficial for people with knee problems, as they can help reduce inflammation and provide the necessary nutrients for joint health. Here are a few examples. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Some particularly good options include berries, cherries, dark leafy greens, and colorful vegetables like bell peppers, squash, and tomatoes. Omega-3 fatty acids. Foods that are high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, salmon, tuna, mackerel, walnuts, and flax seeds, can help to reduce inflammation in the body and promote joint health. Collagen-rich foods. Collagen is an important protein that helps to support the health of joints, tendons, and ligaments. Foods that are high in collagen include bone broth, fish, poultry, and eggs. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that contains a compound called curcumin, which is known to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Ginger. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogales, which have anti-inflammatory properties that may help to reduce pain and swelling in the joints. Glucosamine and chondroitin. These are naturally occurring compounds found in cartilage, tendons, and ligaments, and also available as dietary supplement. They may help to reduce inflammation and promote joint health. Eating a balanced diet that is rich in nutrient-dense foods, such as the examples listed above, can help support overall joint health. Keep in mind that the best dietary approach will depend on the individual, and it's best to consult a healthcare professional or a nutritionist to get personalized advice. In conclusion, knee health is crucial for maintaining mobility and an active lifestyle. A variety of factors can contribute to knee problems, including age, excess weight, and poor technique during exercise. Additionally, there are a variety of foods that can be beneficial for knee health by providing anti-inflammatory compounds and important nutrients for joint health. Some examples include fruits and vegetables, fatty fish, and foods that are high in collagen, such as bone broth, fish, poultry, and eggs. It's also important to rest and recovery if experiencing knee pain, and consulting with a healthcare professional to address the issue. If necessary, physical therapy, medications, and in some severe cases, surgery, may be required to repair or replace a damaged knee joint. Taking care of our knee health can allow us to move and stay active throughout our lives. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay well, stay healthy. See you on better days.